do you know that there are new Fibonacci retracement settings that can give you higher results? In this video, that's what we are actually going to talk about. And I will be quick so that I don't waste much of your time. And I'm using a mobile phone, and I will click here. I'll tap in the middle of the screen, and that lands me to this sideboard. Oh, well, let me see. Can you see? Like here, right? Tap there, and this will give you these new options right here. And click on this Fibonacci retracement tool here. If it is not already here, that means you have not selected it. So what you have to do is you go to this plus icon, right? Click there, and you are going to find it in here, Fibonacci, just here. All right, so click on this one. We are meaning this one, Fibonacci retracement. So my new settings are going to be a bit different from the default one that you are used of. So for example, if I click here and I pick it, just tap there, right? I will be able to drag, you can see. Okay, this market is trying to change direction towards moving up. Okay, so this is the Fibonacci tool I'm talking about. Now I want you to see, if you know the Fibonacci retracement, the common values are these ones, right here. 0.0, 23.6, 38.2, 50.0, 61.8. Okay, so let me try to show you what is down. Even this one, on the other Fibonacci retracement, the one you are used of, you can see this one. But if I scroll down, you can see you do not have these ones. These are the ones I just customized myself. All right, so I want you to see the settings, and you can write them down. Let me just tap and hold, and I can click on this edit icon right here. Okay, so once I click there, okay, I'm going to scroll down, and you are going to see this, where you are going to see the levels. Okay, so let me just tap there. All right, so can you see the levels, guys? I want you to write them somewhere. You can even take a screenshot. You can see. So how do you actually add these ones? It's just clicking on levels, as I've done, and come here on plus icon, and you will be able to continue adding each and everything on here. From description, you can add what is in this line. All right, what is in this line, you can add it just here on description. Then what is here, you also come to add it here. Okay, on left and right, just copy only this from 0 to 0.0 up to here -1 up to 100. If you want, you can as well make negative 1.25 up to, then here on description you say 150. For example, here I can say negative, let me say negative 1.5 like this. Then here I can say 150 like that. Okay, all right, and remember, you can change it, okay, the way you want. I'm just going to show you, but I'm not going to change it because I already have the settings. That's why I'm showing them to you. All right, so let's come back, and I show you why these settings are very important and how they are going to be increasing your results. Okay, so let's assume this was our, you see, this was our previous high. Okay, this was our previous lower high. This is our previous lower low. Okay, and we are waiting for price. Okay, yeah, if you can see within the internal range, price has broken structure, but it has not yet broken the external structure. So I'm expecting price to return here and continue up to this order block. So let me just pull my and you know how to draw these Fibonacci levels. Okay, let me just delete it and I again draw it. Okay, so let me delete it. Okay, so you tap in the middle of the screen like this, and then as well you come here as I showed you, then bring the Fibonacci level. If it is a downtrend, you want to begin from up. Rather, if it is a downtrend, you want to begin from down, from here like this. Okay, you mark the level and you mark the previous high. This is the low, this is the previous high, like this. Okay, so I'm expecting this is a step index on H1. I'm expecting price to come before even using this Fibonacci level tool, because you know you have to use it together with price action. And as you can see on my screen, I'm also having moving average 20. So if they meet in one place, then that gives me a confluence. So if you can see here, we have a pin bar. Yeah, one of the price action techniques and strategy I believe in is that pin bar, which forms in between three candles. Are they no, rather two candles, meaning this one and this one. So the pin bar is in between. Both of them are bullish, and even this one is a bullish one. So, and as you can see, it is in between level 50 and 61.8. And as you know, those are key reversal areas or key reversal values of Fibonacci retracement, whereas the moving average is slightly above, and I will be waiting to see how price will react, if at all reverses or gives us that pullback. All right, so from there, if it begins to reject this zone, then I can be able to pick a buy and target this area like this. Okay, so let me also take you to another swing point. They show you something. Let me just drag it. Okay, but before I go to that, this Fibonacci retracement will help you to know your perfect take profit. I repeat it. This Fibonacci retracement tool is going to help you where to place your take profit. In most cases, price moves in equal swing how can I call it, like this one. What I'm trying to mean here, this is a swing high, this is a swing low. So if you measure the distance, this is 100 using a Fibonacci. So if you want to target your take profit, target 50% of this movement, which is this zone. All right, so in most cases you will find price when it has hit that take profit. Okay, so let me just pick it and I drag it. I find another swing point. So this is the downtrend, and you can see price, if you can begin from here up to, you know, this is so we shall begin from up as we slope down, since it is a downtrend. All right, like this. So price had to tap into the premium zone above the 61.8, and after doing that, right from here, it took out this liquidity. Okay, so the main important point here is to mark liquidity, the area of liquidity. So it took out this high, right? Thereafter we saw this bearish candle coming in, and price moved down. So if you were to target the take profit one, is this area here. Okay, this is our take profit 50, and you can see it was hit. Okay, let me also pick this area. This is another here. So the 50 area is also again here, if you took it, and you can see price did not reach into 61.1 and 50 area, but stop 38.2. Okay, reversal areas. So let's look. So try to see if we can get another one. Okay, let me go to another asset, which is volatility 75. Okay, so you want to, let me just change it in portraits. Then I'll go and click on this one on step index. Then I go to volatility 75, which is this one. Okay, let me again change it to landscape. Price is ranging here, so there is nothing big. And actually, let me just remove this one. Sorry. So just price is ranging here, and I have nothing to do. So let me look for another sync point. Okay, let me just use this one. Let me pull. All right. So you can see. Okay. Okay. So you can see the other reversal areas they are here. You can see 61.8 up to 50. That's where we see rejections. And if you want to target your first TP, it is this one, level 50. Although it was able to make it up to 100, but your first TP should be 50 level, which is 50% of the entire swing points. Okay, then you can also drag it down here, and you can also consider another swing. You can see the same case that happened on the other step index. You can see, okay, let me show you. You can see price came into the premium zone. Price came into the premium zone and grabbed this liquidity, then it had to drop. So another technique you must learn from here is that once you see price ranging in between, give it time. Okay, like this, give it time and focus on the premium zone if you are selling. And for those of you who don't know about premium zone, it's that area which is above the 50%. Okay, so this is the area we are referring to, premium zone. If you are in a downtrend, you should be looking for sales in that area. And me, what I do personally, I mark areas of liquidity, and this is the previous side. Once it's taken out until in the premium, then I can sell. And the same applies in a discount zone when you are buying. All right, so let's continue. Let's come to this swing point. You can see, okay, you can see it is here. Okay, if you targeted the 50% of this entire area, then the 50% is here, and you can see it was also hit. And the entry is also on level 50. Okay, level 50 and 61.8, which is a reversal area. Okay, so I hope you have been able to find value in this video. I kindly request you to go and back test. Okay, back test this strategy and let me know what you think. Copy all the new settings of these Fibonacci settings. If you didn't do so, I can as well bring it here, right? And I can go to edit and I can show you this is what I'm trying to mean. You can take a screenshot of this and also change it. It also works on a PC, and you can at least add it on your trading tools. Until next time, keep winning.